Okay, this is the Beta09 jump starter by Buture. You can see here it's got a capacity of 26,800 milliamp hour. USB-C in is 5 volt at 2 amp. USB, the output, it's got two outputs. It will charge your devices at 5 volts at 2.4 amps. And the second output is 5 volt at 3.0 amps. Let's take a look at it here. Comes in this nice nylon case here. It is padded case. You got this webbing up here with the zipper, large zipper pocket. Let's get this out first. So this is a Chinesium tubeless tire repair kit. I mean, it's not that highest quality, but you know what? I've got another one that I've already got in the vehicles, both vehicles, that are very much high quality. But this would be nice to have if you run out of plugs or your plugs get dry in the other one. These seem to be fresh and ready to go. And also, if you break any one of these, you got a backup here. Why not just keep it in this little sleeve here? They also comes with this tool here. This tool is just really for stones or anything like that in your tread. If you could dig anything out of your treads, you could use this tool. Okay, it comes with a manual here. It does come with a 2-inch toe strap here. These have hooks on them. 2 hooked toe straps. And it comes with this little, 1-inch strap, nylon strap. It comes with some gloves here, which you know what, it's always nice to have gloves if you're changing a tire or something like that. And these are nice little rubber grip gloves. This is your accessory for the jump starter, and this is your hose for the inflator. And it also comes with this little, sports ball needle for the inflator, different inflator attachments like that. So let's get this over here to the side and pull out the unit itself. All right, so here is the unit. There's got a power button here. You can turn on the power button. Here's your inflator button. On the left here, you got 2 buttons. One is a floodlight, one is a spotlight. We'll turn on the little spotlight first. You can see that comes on here. Floodlight is on this side. You press it again, it blinks. You press it here, you got flashing yellow, SOS yellow, and then off. Now, you also have a plus. You have a mode button here. You can press this. You can see that's a little vehicle sign there. You press it. It goes to motorcycle, bicycle, sports car. Now, it comes with these little preset. Like if you put it on auto, it comes preset at 33. But you can always, if you need it on 36, you can always just press the plus or minus button to get it exactly where you want it. So that's on the inflator. As you can see here, you do have on the bottom here, this hole here is where you attach this hose. Yeah, so your inflator attaches here. And then when it's turned on, you just press this top right button, and that starts your inflator. As soon as it starts, it'll go to 36 psi. As soon as it hits 36 psi or whatever you have it set to, it'll automatically turn off. Now on the bottom here, you've got your USB-C up top. That's your to charge your unit. That's USB-C in, and your USB-A outs are right here. One's 3 amp and one's 2.5 amp. This port here is what you would connect your leads to your jump starter with. Let's go ahead and get these connected in. There they are. As soon as you turn it on here, you can see it's flashing red and green. When it's fully green, you have 30 seconds to start the car. As soon as you hook these up, it senses voltage. That will turn green, and you can start the car. Now, if it does not turn green, if your voltage is so low that it does not turn green, if your battery does not have enough power to register this unit, you can see now it's still on. As soon as you hook up these leads, of course, it'll go to your jump start function. If your battery does not have power, you'll see this blinking. You press this button here. This is the boost button. This boost button will automatically bypass everything and go ahead and charge the unit ready for cranking. It'll turn solid green here. You got 30 seconds to start the engine after boost mode. So that's pretty nice, where in case your battery is almost completely dead, you can still start your car with this one. This unit does come with a nice little handle here, and I tell you, for the price, I think this thing is multifunctional, does a lot. I mean, even if you just wanted to use it as a camp light, you can do that here. And also, you know, that big battery in here, you can recharge all of your devices with that battery also. This is not a full review of this. If you want to see a full review, I can do that. I can go outside and I can, you know, here's the thing. I see all these people with these jump starters. Do they just have dead batteries in their vehicles sitting around waiting for the jump starter? I don't have any dead batteries. I do have some you know, tires I can inflate if you want me to inflate them with that. But this is just a you know, just a tool haul. So I'm just showing you the tools this week, some of the features of them to see if you may want to investigate it further. So that's the Buture Beta09 jump starter with inflator and light. Let's see what's next.